Guys, as you know, I always find dope talent all around New York City. I love the street performers. Today I found somebody I think you're going to dig. Check him out.
Are about to witness the greatest show in the world.
Hi, Boogie Bob.
Hey, girl.
Hello.
Congratulations on all you're doing.
Love you, hey, Boogie Bob.
Oh, I love you.
Boogie Bob, Boogie Bob. He's out there filming in the mob. Boogie Bob, Boogie Bob. Go to YouTube and turn.
Coolio with the flow, representing Boogie Bob. We in Harlem. Don't get robbed.
I'll see you again, I promise.
All right, Boogie Bob.
That's Boogie Bob. I love you forever.
Don't get Tone Loc in the house. Straight cooler with my man Boogie Bob.
I love you. I want to marry you. I'm not joking. I'm not joking, girlfriend. Thank you. I love you, Pam.
Say hi to Boogie Bob.
Oh, I love you. You look as beautiful as the day I first saw you. God bless you.
I can't wait to boogie with you, Bob.
You're going to boogie all night long, girlfriend. Bob, look who I'm with. Ice, that was the best show I've ever been to, and I've seen them all. I love you, brother.
Man,
you
I
had New
appreciate
York
you.
getting out the palm of your hand. And guess what? I'm going to the after party.
That's right.
I'm going to holler at every shorty in the building.
That's right.
What's poppin'? I ain't gonna lie, this kid is dope. Welcome to the Boogie Bob Experience. I'm your favorite YouTuber. Oh, we gonna have some fun. Here he is again. It's the Didgeridoo guy. And look at the little doggies. I was hoping he would. By the way, guys, he plays the beats himself. But I think if I was high, this would be pretty fun. Fantastic, man. I watch you every year. I said I watch you every year. Every year, this is your spot right here. What is your Cash App? Where are we at? Which one? Oh, you do Venmo. Guys, he does the Venmo, and that's the code. But if you want to know more about him, he's the street mule. And fantastic, always fun. Love watching you, and I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's the Venmo right there. Make sure you guys, if you could screen grab that right there, you could hit him right now. He's also got CDs. I know he's online. You can catch him online. Instagram? I think I follow you on Instagram. Is it Street Mule, all of them?
Yeah. You can take the card.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. That means I got to bend down. I used to be able to bend down pretty good. There he is, guys. Street Mule.
I can only bend down if I'm picking up a dollar.
I feel you. Thank you, brother. God bless you. Guys, that's Street Mule. Make sure you go and support him. I always will drop by and drop $2-3 in there. If I like him, I'll drop $5, $10. He get $2. Nice enough guy, but he gets $2.
Guys, if you like the content, make sure you subscribe, ring the little bell so you get notified of any new shows. Also, like, share, leave a comment. God bless.